Welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Paula Peterson on how the lack of rainfall continues to affect pastures. Well, Paula is now back with a recipe to share. This is a good one. It's on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page and on my Facebook page already if you want to copy it down. So festive for the 4th of July.
It is. I just wanted to find something that would be kind of a pop of color with our red, white, and blue, and still pretty healthy. I can take anything and make it unhealthy, but I like to play with food. So
where'd you get this recipe?
I actually just did a Google search for 4th of July treats.
And found this one.
I found this, yeah.
Okay.
But it's super simple. You just start out with cream cheese and powdered sugar, and you just mix it together with a little bit of vanilla. If you wanted to go crazy, I assume you could add like a little blue food coloring. If you wanted to add some color to the cream cheese part.
But you want the white for red, white, and blue.
Well, that's what I was,
Yeah.
I think it fits more. And then once you get this all mixed together, then you're actually going to just put it in a piping bag. And if you don't have a piping bag, you can use just a Ziploc baggie and cut off the end, and it'll still work pretty well.
Sure, okay.
On the strawberries, you just cut them into like a crisscross.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll do that with this one. And not all the way down?
No, not all the way down.
Okay. We'll do this one.
And then from there, if you can pipe in the filling.
Okay, and you said to kind of open it up.
Yeah, if you kind of squeeze it like a alligator mouth.
Yeah. It's a little easier.
Yeah, and then you just pipe it in.
Okay, and as much as you want?
Yeah, I just kind of, there you go. And then if you want to add sprinkles to make it more fun for the kids, you sure can. Or if you want to keep it a little more healthy, you can eliminate the sprinkles and then just top off with a blueberry into the center.
There we go.
And there you have a fun, easy treat. Now, it said it could last for 2 or 3 days in the refrigerator. I've never had really good luck with strawberries sticking once you cut them.
Yeah, once you open them up.
So I would say I would do it day of.
Okay, or for the next day maybe?
Yeah, you could do it the night before and it'd be ready. But they're really cute, they're really festive, and they're tasty.
Very cute, okay. I'm afraid it's going to get messy, will it, for me?
Not too bad.
No, it's really good. Look how pretty that is.
It's just fun and festive, and I like using fresh fruits where you can. Yeah, especially this time of year.
And it's different than like the chocolate-covered strawberry. It's something different.
Yeah, it is.
No, these are great. I love strawberries anyway. Again, this recipe is on Facebook if you want to copy it down, but super simple.
Yeah, super simple.
That's what we like here. Okay, Paula, thank you.